everybody, welcome back to Serene Teaching in San Diego. I'm Jane Lee Korea's first OPIc instructor. In today's class we have a very special guest and very handsome gentleman, Andrew Nelson. Welcome to our show.
Thank you.
How are you doing today?
I'm doing pretty well. How you doing?
I'm doing great. I love the weather here and I love your coffee shop, Skybound Coffee Dessert Lounge. Don't forget the name. So Andrew, can you please introduce yourself a little bit for our viewers?
Yeah, absolutely. So again, my name's Andrew Nelson. I'm the store manager here at Skybound. I've been here for close to a year now, and it's probably been one of the best cafes jobs that I've ever had. I've worked in food service for about 7 years now,
Wow.
and this has definitely by far been the best in terms of food and drink quality and just our customer base as well. I'm really passionate about coffee, tea, food, cooking in general, and this has really allowed me to express my passion for food service.
That's awesome. Wow. How did you find this place? Like through a friend or?
No, I actually I used to live in a town nearby called Escondido for 4 years, and I moved out here to the area a little over a year ago. And so I was just looking for a job, something within walking distance, because
Yeah.
I like to walk or bike to work.
So you walk here every morning?
I do. I live about a quarter mile down the road.
You're very blessed.
I am, yes.
I would like to walk to my workplace.
That would be nice. I do have a motorcycle that I go on.
That's really
go
cool.
on weekend rides sometimes. It's a lot of fun. Taking that down to the desert today, actually. After I get off. Probably about an hour east and like southeast is when you start hitting like the more desert type of environment, and then if you just keep going, we'll take you through like Nevada, Arizona, New Mexico. And you can have just like hundreds of miles of just plain straight road, nothing around you, and it's great just to feel the wind on you.
When you're on your motorcycle, you mean? Wow. That's maybe what my husband is missing so much.
Exactly.
I should give him some more freedom.
Why do you think the coffee shop is so popular?
Whenever I come to Skybound Coffee, I see so many people, especially young people, and I believe it's a very popular spot for young people. Why do you think it attracts so many young people?
I think it's because of the wide variety of things we offer, and everything is quality ingredients. It's made here in San Diego County.
Oh, wow.
The gelato to the bread, the desserts and pastries that we don't make ourselves, we all get from nearby.
Wow.
So like our gelato is made over in Carlsbad. A bunch of our desserts are made down in San Diego. Even the coffee beans that we use are roasted in San Diego.
Nice.
So we just get real fresh quality food.
I didn't know that. That's why I've always thought they taste really nice.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, because I've been to many other coffee shops in town, and this is actually one of my favorites.
Yeah. Like just the carrot cake. I had a gentleman a couple weeks ago who bought an entire carrot cake for like almost $100.
Yeah.
Because he said it was just his favorite carrot cake of all time. So we're doing something right, and we do have a high school right across the street with 4,000 kids. So
4,000? Rancho High School, is it?
Yeah, Rancho Buena Vista.
Yeah, wow.
Yeah, so
I didn't know it was that big.
Yeah,
I do see some students walking around, but 4,000 students are a lot.
Yeah. And those kids love their boba, they love their frappes.
You have boba tea here?
We do. We do a
that.
black milk tea, Thai tea, and our own house-made purple tea, which is a berry hibiscus
tisane. I saw the photo up there. Oh, that's purple boba tea. I should try it.
It's really good.
Yeah.
So we have regular boba, crystal boba, and then mango and lychee jellies.
No caffeine, right?
No.
Yeah, I just have to make sure for our baby.
That's fair, yeah.
What do you like about your job?
What do you enjoy about making and serving coffee to people? Like you said, you have passion for this business, and what gives you that passion?
I think what drives me the most is it's giving people something that they probably haven't had before.
Oh yeah.
So the main thing that we do is specialty coffee, which a lot of people aren't really familiar with that term. So it's grown down in the South American mountains at higher altitudes. So there's lower oxygen, which gives the plants more time to grow and develop the more desirable notes and flavors. And each plant is hand-picked. It's not machine harvested.
Wow.
And then when they're mostly ripe, and then they're shipped straight to San Diego where they get roasted. And then we receive the beans within 7 days of them being roasted. So everything's super fresh. The espresso we use is ranked 15th best in the world.
Wow.
So it's super high quality, and a lot of people like they're like, oh, I like espresso, or I like just black coffee. Well, then we have them try just our regular straight espresso, and there hasn't been a single person who hasn't loved it.
Of course.
So it's just seeing that reaction of providing something new or unique to people.
Yeah.
That is,
I love
awesome.
uniqueness. Yeah, I love your interior, by the way, too.
Thank you. Yeah, actually, all of the succulent arrangements and everything was actually done by the owner's wife, Nancy.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, she's a huge gardener. She has a big green thumb.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, I do feel something very natural and fresh here. Yeah, all the time. So I just like to look around. Well, I want to ask so many more questions to Andrew, but again, he's a very busy store manager of Skybound Coffee Dessert Lounge in Vista, San Diego. So I will let you go. Thank you so much for being part of the show. Traffic on the road. Okay, this is San Diego Vista, and you're with Jane Lee, Korea's first OPIc instructor. See you in class. Bye bye.